Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn something super cool. Have you ever wondered how to turn an action like to paint or to teach into a person or thing that does the action? Well, we are going to find out how to do that by adding a few simple endings to the verbs. Are you ready? Let's go! First things first, you remember what a verb is? A verb is an action word. It's something you can do, like run, sing, play, or swim. Verbs tell us what someone or something is doing. Now, here's the fun part. Sometimes we want to talk about the person or thing that does the action. How do we do that? By adding er or or to the end of the verb. Let's look at some examples. When we add er to a verb, it turns it into a noun that names a person or thing that does the action. For example, let's take the verb to paint. What do we call someone who paints? That's right, a painter. Here's another one. To teach. Who does the teaching? That's right, a teacher. Now, sometimes we use or instead of er. It's the same idea, but just a little different. For example, if someone creates something like an artist or inventor, we call them creator. Let's try another one. To act. Who acts in a play or movie? Yes, that's right, an actor. Let's have some more fun with this. What if you write? Who does the writing? That's right, a writer. How about to sing? Who sings? Yes, a singer. Here's a tricky one. What about to sail? Who sail? That's right, a sailor. Great job, everyone. Now it's time to practice a little. I'm going to say a verb and you guess what the noun is by adding er or or. Ready? Here we go. Here's the first verb, to bake. What do we call the person who bakes? It's a baker. Next one, to dance. Who dances? That's right, a dancer. How about to direct? Who directs movies or plays? That's right, a director. Last one, to visit. What do we call the person who visits? Yes, a visitor. So, why is learning about nouns like this so important? Well, it helps us understand how language works and makes it easier to talk about actions and the people or things doing those actions. Whether you are reading, writing, or even just chatting with friends, knowing these words can help you sound even smarter. Awesome word today! Now you know how to turn verbs into nouns by adding er and or. It's super easy once you get the hang of it. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Thanks for learning with us. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time!